Welcome to my channel CTET Life, and we will do the practice session for the Lev Vygotsky theory. So let's start the class, and our first question is, read the following statement and choose the correct option. Assertion: interaction with more knowledgeable others such as a teacher and peer can provide the necessary support and guidance to help learners develop their understanding and skill. Reason: social instruction is a key component of learning and development. And our answer is both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. Now let's move to the question number 2. According to Lev Vygotsky, social factor influence language development but not cognitive development. B, cognitive development facilitate language development. C, language development and cognitive development and advance independent from each other. Option D, language development facilitate cognitive development, and our answer is language development facilitate cognitive development. Now we will move to the question number 3. As per Lev Vygotsky, play a significant role in the development of conceptual ability among children, and our answer is peer collaboration. And tangible reward, social isolation, and sterilized conclusion is all a wrong answer, because tangible reward is a negative take word. Social isolation is not related to this, and standardized curriculum, standardized is our negative take word. So we will eliminate these answers, and our answer is peer collaboration. Question number 4. According to Lev Vygotsky theory, inner speech is, now option A, is a way for children to communicate with an imaginary friend. B, is a sign of cognitive immaturity. C, is a sign of development delay. D, is a way for children to regulate their own thinking. And our option D is our correct answer. So we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5. Assertion: Jean Piaget and Lev Vygotsky differ in their perspective on the influence of language on cognitive development in children. Reason: in discovery learning, teacher provide opportunity and student derive information for themselves. And both A and R are true, and R is not correct. Correct explanation of A is the answer. Question number 6. According to constructive theorists, which of the following statement would not be correct? And our option A is knowledge is subjective. B, learners construct knowledge in their social and cultural context. C, learners need to be extremely motivated to ensure effective learning. And option D, knowledge is a pluralistic and multiple. And our option C is correct answer. Learners need to be extremely motivated to ensure effective learning. Now let's move to the question number 7. Lev Vygotsky believed that development is, option A, is a continuous in nature. B, is an unfolding of genetic program. Option C, result directly from maturation. Option D, result directly from social interaction. And our answer is result directly from social interaction. Question number 8. After seeing a student struggling to solve problem, a teacher gave them a hint and half-solved example to assist them. As per Lev Vygotsky theory, this is an example of option A, scaffolding, option B, reversibility, option C, seriation, option D, expository teaching. And our answer is scaffolding. According to Lev Vygotsky, scaffolding is a temporary help to student so they will understand and complete their assignments. Question number 9. Now we were going to learn the question number 9. Before dive into the question number 9, first we will see the Lev Vygotsky theory. Journey of proximal development. Learners can do with guidance. Learners can do unaided. Learners cannot do. This is the structure for the Lev Vygotsky theory. Question number 9. Which theories asserted that cognitive development is a collaborative process? Number A, Lev Vygotsky. Number B, Ivan Pavlov. Number C, B.F. Skinner. Number D, John B. Weston. And our answer is A, Lev Vygotsky. Question number 10. Socio-constructive approach to learning emphasizes on the importance of, option A, reward and punishment. Option 2, standardized assessment. Option 3, cultural context. Option 4, expository teaching. And our answer is cultural context. Question number 11. Encouraging dialogues among students and providing scaffolding are example of option A, creating a zone of proximal development. Option B, conditioning of responses. Option C, positive reinforcement. Option D, transfer of learning. And our answer is option A, creating a zone of proximal development. Question number 12. Who proposed that new knowledge is constructed in a zone between what the child knows and what the she is capable of knowing with support? Number A, Lev Vygotsky. Number B, Jean Piaget. Number C, Howard Gardner. Number D, Ivan Pavlov. And our answer is Lev Vygotsky. Question number 13. A classroom built on a Vygotskian principle would provide a lot of opportunity for children to interact and collaborate with each other. Reason: learning is a social activity. And our answer is both A and R. True, R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 14. Lev Vygotsky theory mainly focus on explaining the impact of dash and dash on dash development. And our answer is cultural tool and on cognitive development. Question number 15. Following Lev Vygotsky theory, a teacher should option A provide appropriate scaffolding to a student by giving hints and cues. And this question came in 1st Feb 2023 paper 1. According to contemporary theory, what kind of classroom environment facilitates cognition? And our answer is brain-rich and resourceful. Number B, fearful and threatening. Number C, inaccessible and explanatory. D, and dedicated and textbook-centric. And our answer is brain-rich and resourceful. Question number 17. According to social cognitive views of learning, students learn best by dash passive imitative adult. Number B, actively engaging with their environment. Over conditioning of behavior. D, memorization of decontextualized information. And our answer is actively engage with their environment. Option B. Question number 18. Who among the following is also known as a social constructive theorist? And a social is related to the Lev Vygotsky theory. And our answer is option D, Lev Vygotsky theory. Question number 19. The students in a class are working in a group to understand a concept. When teacher observe that all members of group are not able to move further in their understanding, teacher help them by giving prompts and cues and then leaves them again on their own. Which concept is used in the class? An option is scaffolding. Question number 20. Development of language and a thought. And our answer is interrelated since they interact in myriad ways to influence each other. Question number 21. Who among the following believe that human activities take places in cultural setting and that cannot be understood apart from those settings? And our answer is Jean Piaget. Question number 22. Lev Vygotsky suggests that children's cognitive development is facilitated by interaction with people who are more capable. Question number 23. When a teacher leads the child to a correct answer through various prompts rather than mere explanation, the help provided is referred to option A, scaffolding, and this is our answer. Question number 24. In Lev Vygotsky theory, self-talk that guides thinking and action is referred to as dash and should be dash, private speech and encouraged. In a social constructive classroom, the teacher is dash and the tables and the desks are dash to facilitate group work, mobile and movable, and this is our answer. Question number 26. Children learn through interaction with others who are more knowledgeable. This view of learning is correct in the light of dash theory given by dash, sociocultural and Lev Vygotsky. Question number 27. In accordance with Lev Vygotsky idea of cognitive development, a teacher should provide scaffold to students to reach their best potential. Question number 28. Sneha height is growing very fast and now her hand can easily reach the handle of her long cupboard from which she can open the cupboard very easily. Sneha, change in height is called growth. Question number 29. Lev Vygotsky gave significant importance to dash in development of thinking and learning. And our answer is cultural tool. In Lev Vygotsky theory, the strategy of simplifying question, giving cues and telling initial step to solve a question help them in overcoming the obstacle of solving a given question is referred to as scaffolding. Question number 31. Which process contribute in knowledge construction? And our answer is 1, 2, and 3. Organizing and reorganizing previous knowledge, exploration and discovery, social and instruction. Today last question is finding that a lot of students in his class have a difficult in standard English and do not speak in his class. A middle school English teacher encourages the student to express themselves in whatever knowledge or language they are comfortable. He then builds on student thinking and helps them to learn other phases to enhance their skill. Which perspective is the teacher's pedagogy rotate in? And our answer is option A, socio-constructive perspective. So thank you for being a part of Hesitate Life. Your support inspires us to keep creating, sharing and growing together. Thank you.